How to buy the Nike shoes cheap online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that you could buy Nike shops online for a fraction of price? Yes, it's easier than what you think. So let's dive in. Open any of your preferred browser and search for Nike Clearance Store. Then you will get the first link, which is official website of Nike itself. Tapping on it might ask you to first select the region, so select your region first and then you will land to the page of Nike Clearance Store. Hereby, it leads to Nike.com. The clearance store offers discounts up to 40% on their older stock, allowing you to grab the original Nike shoes at a very much lower price. So you can just scroll down to find the products that you want to buy and see the discount itself. However, if you are looking for something even cheaper, you can opt for copies that look similar to the originals, known as first copies. These aren't the genuine Nike products but resemble the original designs. You can find it in visit platforms like Panda Buy and much more. Hereby, you'll find various products including shoes that resembles Nike's style, such as popular Dunks. You can click on the link to purchase them. Just remember, these are not the original Nike shoes. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.